It's pretty freaking filthy. So I'm out here cleaning my truck out, and it kind of hit me that I haven't changed my cabin air filter in, it's probably been 2 years. And I just out of sight and out of mind, just forgot all about it. And it's really important to change that thing because it causes stress on the blower motor. It causes, it just doesn't filter the air coming into the cab. You know, you got to keep it changed, and I just let it drop the ball and let it slip my mind. So we're gonna get the cabin air filter changed today. Well, video I haven't done before. Today we're gonna be changing the cabin air filter on a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. There are 2 screws. I wasn't gonna make this video, so there's supposed to be one there, and there's one there, right here. So we're gonna take both of those out. And there's also 2 screws on the bottom, right here, and right here. So they're both Torx bit. I'm gonna get those out, and we'll pop the glove box out. I want to say the last time I did this, closed the glove box and pulled on it. Maybe I didn't. There. And be prepared for all the stuff in the top box to fall when you pull the bottom box out. Alright, then you'll see this right here. There are some clips right here. Just put a little pressure back and they'll pop back. The other one's way over in here. Lift this up. Once you get it unclipped, it comes back like this. I do have a K&N filter in here so I can wash it and reuse it. You just grab right here, pull it out. This thing's filthy. I'm ashamed to say that I haven't cleaned this thing since I put it in probably 2 years ago. So that being the case, it's pretty freaking filthy. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and I did put some scented things on here. I wouldn't say don't do that if you wanted to, but I most definitely would not put anything where it could fall down into that blower motor, because I've already done that. It fell down into the blower motor and threw it off balance, and it made a lot of noise. It wasn't good for it at all. So this, the K&N filter, you see it's filthy. Flip it around on the other side, pretty doggone clean compared to the other side. So I don't mind the K&N filter. Just wash it out, oil it, and reuse it. So anyway, wanted to show that. Now I got my filter all oiled up, cleaned up and oiled up. That thing was absolutely filthy. I've got to do better. And you just got it back into the slot right in there. There's a wiring harness that's kind of getting in the way. Took both hands to get it started. But once you get it started, just slide it right back in. Once you get it in, take your little lock here, and that wiring harness goes in that clip right there. I'm pretty sure. We'll go under the harness. You get those fingers back in the just like that. Go underneath this harness right here and push your tabs back in. And that part's done. After that, you just take your glove box, back up here, and it does have pins that will hold it in place until you get the screws in it. Right like that. Then you just put your 4 screws back in, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 2 on the bottom, and that's all of that. I'm just out here today cleaning up on the truck, and I remembered I hadn't changed that thing in a long time, so don't forget about your cabin air filter. You don't want it to look like mine when it comes out. That was neglect on my part. If you've got a regular air filter, not the K&N, it goes a whole lot quicker because I had to go clean that one and oil it and let everything dry and all that stuff. But if you've got a regular cabin air filter, it's the 4 screws, pop the little door off, pull the filter out, slip the new one in. You can get them scented and everything else. Put the door back on, put the glove box back in, 4 more screws. Very simple. And I've heard of people being charged an astronomical amount of money to get that stuff, to get a cabin air filter changed. So anyway, I just thought I hadn't made one of those and thought I'd put a video out about it. Hope it helps you out. Thanks so much. Like, share, and subscribe. If you're a member, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.